Hi everyone, my name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Tonight we're continuing on with spring cleaning and doing some everyday cleaning. So I hope this video inspires you to get started with your spring cleaning or tackle whatever you have to do today. Now, let's refresh this house. I'm doing a quick tidying of the girls' bathroom before I get started on the cleaning. This week's spring cleaning has a lot of satisfying before and afters and is about deeply washing the things that usually get a quick dusting or spray.
I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to?
I usually spray these shelves, but the glass pops right out so I can take them out to the sink to wash them. Let me know in the comments below if there are any areas in your home that need this kind of extra attention.
But letting go just comes easy that you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken.
My poor plant. When we did a makeover on this bathroom a couple months ago, I added a live plant. This bathroom doesn't get very much sunlight, so I chose a low light plant. Even still, it's getting a little brown, so I relocate it to the sunnier laundry room sometimes to get some vitamin D. I hope it survives. I'll leave the link in the description box below of that bathroom makeover video. My intention was to dust these light fixtures and clean them with a multi-purpose spray, but they were way too dirty and needed to be washed. If you're cleaning along with me, don't grab your light fixtures just yet. I have to show you what happened. What is going on? I cleaned the first lampshade without a problem, and while I was cleaning the second one, I noticed the gradient accent was washing off. I couldn't decide if I should stop what I was doing or remove the coating, but decided to go for it and wash it off. So I had to wash the accent off of the other lampshade as well. I think the lampshades were so old that the accent details had finally had it, but I like the look of the one-tone lampshade for a change. This basin under the washing machine was bothering me every time I saw it. It had gotten worse than ever before, but you'll see that it was easy to clean and has a satisfying before and after.
The way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like
I'm using a multi-purpose spray to clean the basin after I first dusted and then wiped it with a wet paper towel. This spray is left over from when my favorite 7th generation spray wasn't available at the grocery store, so I'm trying to use it up. It leaves a little bit of a residue behind, but it won't matter in this area.
you're beautiful.
Back in the kitchen where we usually start. Dawn dish soap and barkeeper's friend wasn't cutting it anymore, and I had to bleach these sinks to remove the coffee stains. I just kept thinking about what the coffee is doing to my poor teeth, but coffee is worth it. If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video. As you'll see by how my dusting mitt looks in a moment, it had been a while since I'd cleaned this fan. It only took a minute to do, How often do you clean your fans?
I'm done looking over my shoulder. This past time won't help me getting over it. I don't know what I'm bringing in closer. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you.
Would it be a cleaning video if you didn't watch me put away these toys? I hope it gives you motivation to do something that's repetitive in your life.
I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely calling. Yeah, it's a lonely calling.
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar. I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. But I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams. And now I'm losing sleep. Yeah. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those.
That's all for tonight. I hope you thought of some areas in your home that you'd like to refresh for spring. Thanks so much for being here, and thank you for all of your support. I'll see you next time. Bye.
The stone unturned. Trying to find some love in this crazy